Today I'm going to show you how to make money fast and easy in BeamNG.drive. Step 1. Create a new profile or use your current one. Then, you need to buy a car. I recommend buying the most expensive one. Next, access the computer and tear down the car part by part. Sell the car and parts and watch how the balance goes up. Buy another car more expensive and repeat the process until you are satisfied with the result. As you buy more expensive cars, you'll make more profit. Now that I earned enough money, I can buy the car that I wanted or truck if you want to make money with it. I hope this tutorial helped. And if it did, please leave a like and smash the subscribe button.